Hey, Jace.
What?
The floor is lava. In 3, 2, 1.
This is a lot of fun, but I wish I had a real puppy. I have an idea. I'm gonna go ask Mom. Mom, can I have a puppy?
A puppy? You have one right here. It's Bella.
Can I have a real puppy though?
A real puppy? Do you know how much work a real puppy is? I have so much to do around here between the cleaning and the cooking and the laundry. I'm sorry, Jace, but I don't have the time to take care of a puppy too. Sorry.
Hey, buddy, what's the matter?
I really wanted a puppy, but Mom said it's too much work.
A puppy? I always wanted a puppy. I never had a puppy when I was a kid. I have an idea. Why don't we help Mom out with the chores? We could do the laundry, help with the dishes, straighten up things, and then maybe we can convince her to get a puppy.
Okay, let's do it.
Yay! Jace, we don't know how to cook, but I have a better idea. Let's clean up. I'll put away the dishes and you clean the floor, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's do it. Whoa. Wow, the floor looks great. You did a good job.
Yeah.
And I put away all the dishes. Mom will be very pleased, right? Fist pump. Yeah, baby. What do we do now?
Let's do the laundry. I know how to do that.
Good idea. That was on Mom's list. Let's go.
Come on.
Jace, Mom said she needs help with the laundry. I don't know how to do laundry.
It's okay. I got it.
All right, let's do it. All right, I have an idea. I know how. All we have to do is throw those into the dryer. Let's see how fast we can do it. Ready? On your marks, get set, go.
I think I won.
I think you did. I didn't expect you to do all that. We need a Snuggle fabric softener. Throw that in there. Then what? Ooh, wait, I know. You have to clean the lint trap. Hey, it's clean. All right, turn it on. Power. Mix load, that's good. Jace, fist pump. We're on our way to getting a puppy. Jace, look at this mess. We have to clean up. Jace, we did it! Woo!
Mom, guess what we did?
What'd you do?
Yes, Mom, you won't believe it. We helped do the laundry, we put away the dishes, and we cleaned up after everything. So we really want to help so we can get a puppy. Can we get one?
You guys did all that?
Yes, and we're going to continue to keep helping.
Aw, that's great, because you guys know how much work a puppy takes, but if we all chip in and take care of the chores and the puppy, I say let's go for it. I would love to have a puppy.
Yay!
What kind of puppy are we gonna get?
That's a good question. I don't know.
I have an idea. I'll be right back. All right, driving to the airport to pick up our new puppy. On our way, the puppy. Jace, I got the puppy. Yay!
I'm so excited to see what my puppy is. Puppy? There he is. Aww. He's the cutest puppy ever. I love my new puppy. Let's play. I'm sure you can get through this. Come on, bring it back to me. I'm gonna feed the puppy. He likes it.
Whoa. Was that good? Oh my goodness, there's a little crumb left. Do you want it? Give him that crumb, Jace. Oh no, wait, he got it. There was literally a crumb left. And wait, did he get it? Did he get it? Let's see. Oh, it's gone. It looked clean.
There's nothing there.
There's nothing left.
Playtime, puppy. I love my new puppy. Thanks, Mom and Dad, for letting me get him.
Aw, you're welcome, Jace.
I promise I'll take good care of him.